Hello and welcome to Crypto Craze, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news and education. Buckle up for an intense ride as we take you on a journey through a content-packed video that is not to be missed. So guys, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Investing early in the right cryptocurrency can lead to massive profits, making it the #1 strategy for success. For instance, Matic, which launched at 26 cents per token, now trades in the $1 range, representing a 40,000% increase. Solana started at 22 cents and is now trading at around $23, a 10,000% increase from its launch. Meanwhile, Cardano started at around 2 cents and now sits around 30 cents, a 1,500% increase, with an all-time high of around $3. However, researching and vetting quality projects in their early stages is crucial, and it is easier said than done. Really quick, guys, it's worth noting that I am not a certified financial or investment advisor by profession. Please understand that this video should not be taken as financial or investment advice, though this likely comes as no surprise to you. In this video, we introduce 3 high-potential altcoins that require our immediate attention. The first is Celestia, the first modular blockchain that splits reversal tasks into different sections, improving scalability without compromising security. Its modular chain allows for better scalability and interoperability than monolithic blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Celestia has a strong team, including Mustafa Al-Bassam, the CEO and co-founder of Chainspace, and some notable investors, including Binance Labs, Galaxy, and Delphi Digital. The token is in development, and an airdrop is possible for node runners. Celestia Labs, the revolutionary minds behind the Celestia blockchain network, have secured an incredible $55 million in a combined Series A and B funding round. The impressive feat was spearheaded by renowned venture capital firms Bain Capital Crypto and Polychain Capital, and pushed Celestia's valuation to a whopping $1 billion, cementing its status as a unicorn in the cryptocurrency industry. Sources indicate that the funding round was a resounding success, with investors clamoring to get a piece of the celestial pie. Among the impressive list of investors were Coinbase Ventures, Jump Crypto, FTX Ventures, Placeholder, Galaxy, Delphi Digital, and various venture capital and angel investors. Celestia's seed round last March had previously raised $1.5 million at an undisclosed valuation. Launched in 2019, Celestia Labs is transforming the blockchain landscape by focusing on modular blockchain networks, streamlining the deployment and scaling of blockchains. Celestia is a stripped-down Layer 1 blockchain that concentrates solely on organizing transactions and making transaction data available. Rather than handling smart contracts or computations, Celestia's model outsources these functions to roll-ups or other blockchains, showcasing the core component of its flexible and modular design. With its innovative approach and impressive funding, Celestia Labs is undoubtedly a key player in the cryptocurrency industry, and it will be exciting to see what groundbreaking advancements it will bring to the space in the future. Shardium, a Layer 1 blockchain that uses sharding for scaling, is the second altcoin. With a goal of 100,000 transactions per second and ultra-low fees, Shardium is EVM-based, decentralized, and secure, thanks to dynamic state sharding, DSS. Its founder, Nishkal Shetty, is the founder of Wazer X Exchange in India, and the testnet is live, with a confirmed airdrop for its token, SHM. Shardium acts a lot like your traditional websites, where if you get a lot of traffic, you just add a server so it expands, he said. The same concept works on Shardium, where every time there's a lot of traffic, you need more transactions. You just add more nodes and the transaction capacity increases. Shardium isn't the first sharded blockchain. Near is another notable example. Shetty says Shardium stands apart by expanding transactions per second every time a node joins a network, rather than having to add a shard for each increase. Shardium also offers atomic composability, meaning that smart contracts can communicate between shards. End users are often required to take on the complexity of a sharded blockchain by choosing which shard to use, whereas users can interact with Shardium in the same way they do with a traditional blockchain like Ethereum. Finally, the third project we're looking at is called Mina Protocol. Mina is a lightweight blockchain that aims to solve the problem of blockchain bloat. Most blockchains become larger and more difficult to run as more blocks are added to the chain, which can make it difficult for smaller players to participate in the network. Mina solves this problem by using a technology called ZK Snarks, which allows the entire blockchain to be stored in a single, tiny snapshot, rather than in a large and growing chain of blocks. This approach has several advantages. First, it allows the network to be fully decentralized, as every participant can store the entire chain. Second, it makes it much easier for new participants to join the network, as they only need to download a small snapshot rather than the entire blockchain. Finally, it allows Mina to run on virtually any device, including smartphones and other low-power devices, making it much more accessible to people around the world. Mina is also unique in that it uses a decentralized autonomous organization to govern its network. This means that token holders can vote on important decisions about the network, such as upgrades, funding, and governance. This approach ensures that the network remains fully decentralized and that decisions are made by the community rather than a small group of insiders. Mina ecosystem and its partner Viable Systems have collaborated to unveil a proof of concept that demonstrates the potential of Mina to enable users to run a web node on a browser. This significant development has far-reaching implications for the scalability of blockchain-based applications across Web3 and mobile platforms, as it enables lightweight node operation, which is crucial in achieving such milestones. According to Jiraj Selip, CEO of Viable Systems, the proof of concept highlights the proximity of the release of the capabilities that will allow everyone to run a Mina web node on their browser. He expresses excitement at the potential of this development to increase the scalability of blockchain-based applications. Mina Foundation CEO Evan Shapiro emphasizes that decentralization has always been a fundamental value of the Mina ecosystem. The ability to participate in the Mina network at a node level with ease will increase decentralization and the overall security of the ecosystem. Kurt Hemecker, COO of the Mina Foundation, adds that the enhancement of security is further guaranteed by the absence of the need to trust third-party node operators when interacting with Mina. Additionally, the integration of ZK oracles will help bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 worlds. In recent times, the Mina Foundation announced the addition of a Harvard Business School, HBS, finance professor to its board. DiMaggio, who is the director of the FinTech, Crypto, and Web3 Lab at Harvard University, is committed to supporting students in exploring and studying Web3 technologies. He is also a faculty research fellow at the National Bureau of Economic Research and a Coinbase Institute advisory board member. Mina has a strong team behind it, including O1 Labs, the company behind the development of the protocol, and a number of prominent advisors, including Polychain Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and others. The project also has a vibrant community and a growing ecosystem of dApps and other projects being built on top of it. So what are your thoughts on the 3 cryptos we have gone over today? Make sure to comment them down below and hit the like button if you learned something new or found the information useful. Also, please consider subscribing if you like this type of content. That's all for now. Until next time, guys.